Products team should pay attention to Connecticut and Virginia. As of July 1st, 2026, Connecticut requires manufacturers to provide notification and labeling information before selling certain products containing intentionally added PFAS, including apparel, carpets, cleaning products, and cosmetics. Also, on July 1st, 2026, Virginia's Humane and Toxin-Free Cosmetics Act took effect, prohibiting the manufacture, sale, and distribution of cosmetics containing intentionally added PFAS. These laws show how states are increasingly regulating PFAS through direct product specific requirements. These teams should also watch for Minnesota's Amara's law. Under the law, manufacturers of products containing intentionally added PFAS must begin reporting detailed information to the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency. The initial reporting deadline is September 15th, 2026, although companies may request a one-time extension to December 14th, 2026. The reporting requirement covers intentionally added PFAS and products sold, offered for sale, or distributed in Minnesota, and is intended to support the state's broader efforts to phase PFAS out of products over time. As a result, many companies are now conducting product inventories, engaging suppliers, and collecting chemical composition data to understand where PFAS are present in their supply chain.